What's going on, guys? I'm Bill and welcome to Bill's How To. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix a pop-up waist that no longer pops up and down. Let's get straight into it, guys. Let's do this. Alright guys, so we've got a pop-up waist here that isn't going up and down as it should. So I'm going to show you guys just how easy it is to repair. Now there are a couple of options that you can choose. You can replace the whole pop-up waist itself with the mechanism inside. That one there will probably cost you about $20. You can replace just the piston on its own, which will cost you about $5. That's what we'll be doing today. And the other option is to service the actual piston itself. Now I've uploaded a video previously. Link will be in the description or up above on how to service the pop-up waist. The vast majority of times I'll replace the piston or the whole pop-up waist. The only time I'll really try and service it is when I can't find that part itself. If it's a unique pop-up waist, a little bit difficult to find the piston itself, at that point I'll more than likely just try and service the piston. But in this case here, we've got a fairly standard pop-up waist. I'm going to show you guys just how easy it is to do. Alright guys, so the first thing we need to do is remove this center cap here from the pop-up waist in order to gain access to the piston. Now, usually you'll be able to pop that up, get a good grip, and then you can rotate that anti-clockwise. In this case, it's closed, it's in the closed position, so what we need to do is take a rubber glove. Your kitchen gloves work best, they've got a bit more grip to them, but what we want to do is just push down on that center cap and keep rotating it, and eventually you'll get a little lip there where you'll be able to take that off by hand, and then we can remove our little center cap here. So you can see inside, I'll get in a little bit closer. So we've got the piston now exposed. What we need to do is take an adjustable wrench, and you'll notice on the top here there's a little slot on either end. That's designed for your adjustable wrench to bite onto. So simply line that one there up, turn it anti-clockwise once again, and you can hear that little pop. You can remove it by hand. And now we've got our old piston removed. So now we've got our brand new pop-up waist. You can put them both side by side. Make sure you've 100% got the right one. In this case here, remembering this one here is in the closed position, but if it was open, it would be exactly the same. So this one here is perfect to replace. This costs probably about $5. So we'll quickly open this one here up and we'll replace it. So we'll take out our pop-up waist. Once again, we can click it down. Put them both side by side. Make sure they're exactly the same, which they are in this case. Then you can take your new pop-up waist. We'll open it up just so that we've got a bit more area to bite onto. Turn that one there clockwise. Tighten it up just slightly. Now you can put your cap over the top. And we've got a perfect repair right there just for about $5. Now, like I said, you've got three options. Number one is to service it, which I'll keep a link in the description below so you guys can check that out. Number two was to replace the piston itself, which was about $5. Number three is to replace the whole pop-up waist. Now, I haven't got a video on how to replace the whole pop-up waist, so hopefully in the near future, I'll do that as well. But hopefully you guys have enjoyed the video. You've learned something new. You now know how to get out there and replace your pop-up waist. Hopefully you've enjoyed it, guys. Until next time, I'm Bill. Thanks for watching Bill's How To.